If you suspect a signature on a deed, a power of attorney, or a title transfer was forged, the notary journal is often the most decisive piece of evidence available, and most people do not know it exists. Many states require notaries to maintain a sequential journal recording each notarization, the date and time, the type of document, the signer's name, the form of identification presented, and in a number of states, the signer's thumbprint and signature. That entry is a contemporaneous record made by a neutral third party. In several states, the journal is a public record, and in others, it can be obtained by subpoena. The absence of an entry is itself powerful. If a notarized document does not appear in the journal, that is a serious problem for the document. You can also verify the notary's commission was valid on the date shown through the state commissioning authority. Our research team pursues these records in title and elder financial abuse disputes. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocator skiptracing.com.